Volcanoes,
Plate tectonics.
and earthquakes.
A volcano erupting is caused by the pressure of the rising magma, a rock with a very high melting point. It is forcing its way through the Earth's crust to the surface, which will often promote earthquake activity.
As magma, a rock with a very high melting point, rises to the Earth's surface, dissolved gases that have been trapped in the magma form expanding bubbles. These bubbles increase the pressure of the magma, and if the pressure is great enough, the volcano will erupt.
This is an example of a volcano erupting.
Extrusive igneous rock is a rock that is formed from lava or magma cooling and solidifying on the Earth's surface. The magma that has been brought to the Earth's surface by volcanic eruptions will solidify at a faster rate. The molten rock, a rock with a very high melting point released during an eruption, is known as lava, which cools and crystallizes very quickly to form an igneous rock. There are different types of igneous rocks. Lava rocks are a type of igneous rock known as basalt, which is made up of different mineral and chemical elements. Granite is another well-known igneous rock that is the slow crystallization of magma below the Earth's surface. It is a well-known rock because people use it for many things such as countertops, tiles, and much more.
Plate tectonics are chunks of rock that constantly move slightly, which creates earthquakes and volcanoes. Plate tectonics are the mother of volcanoes and earthquakes. When plate tectonics rub against each other, it creates friction, causing the Earth's crust to melt, making the rock underneath the crust turn into magma. And that is how volcanoes are made. New Zealand lies on the edge of the two of the world's most major plates, the Australian and Pacific tectonic plates. This is why we have lots of earthquakes. When these plates collide with huge force, the crust gives way under the pressure, and so the earthquake is unleashed.
Earthquakes occur all the time all over the world, both along the edge of tectonic plates and along the faults. The National Earthquake Information Centre records an average of 20,000 earthquakes every year, which is about 50 a day around the world. However, there are millions of the earthquakes estimated to occur every year that are just too weak to be recorded. As mentioned with the tectonic plates, New Zealand is right on two of the world's major plates, which is why we have more earthquakes and sometimes quite big ones as well. With these earthquakes, they are part of the reason our landscape is structured with all of our mountains. The Ring of Fire is a major area in the Pacific Ocean, where most earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. It is a large 40,000 kilometre horseshoe shape.
This is an example video of the Christchurch earthquake in 2011.
And now we're going to summarise. In conclusion, volcanoes erupt because of magma rising to the Earth's surface and dissolved gas bubbles creating pressure, which causes the volcano to explode.
Plate tectonics are chunks of rock that rub against each other, causing earthquakes and volcanoes.
Earthquakes are caused by the plate tectonics rubbing against each other, sending a ripple of energy to the Earth's surface.